In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error 0x80246002. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshoot for the Windows Update. How we can do that? Here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane. Please find for an option which is the system. Click on here. And then once you have to open the system settings, you need to scroll down and locate for the troubleshoot. So please wait until the system will be ready. Once ready, please scroll down, locate for troubleshoot, tap on it. And next is you need to proceed to other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. Wait until this process would be finished, complete the procedure, and once you are done, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution. But before that, I want you to copy these commands at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, please paste it to the notepad and navigate here at the search box and type for CMD. Once you've typed that, you need to wait until you would be able to see a bash which is the command prompt. Okay. And once you have seen it, you need to navigate here at the right side and wait until you'll get to see that option called Run as Administrator. Now from that, select on Run as Administrator, and if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can give permission on running this window. So you need to paste these commands one by one and not as a whole. So the first is to stop the Windows Update service. Paste it here. And then once done, you need to consider on pasting the second. Copy and paste it here. Once done, you need to proceed to the next one, the third. And then once the third has been finished, proceed on starting the Windows Update service again. Once you have done it, you need to close this window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows Update again and see if it's working. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.